Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So in today's video I'm going to be removing my single plaits, aka box braids, and I'm just showing you some of the tools and products that I'm using in order to remove them. So in today's video, the products that I'm mainly using and focusing on is the new Cantu Grapeseed Strengthening Repair collection, and this is my first time giving it a try. The products have ranged between $5.99 and $6.99, and I bought the shampoo, the conditioner, the hair mask and the leave-in. So I will use them in this video accordingly, and I'll give you my final reviews at the end. So to remove your box braid safely, I am cutting way beneath where my natural hair ends, and I'm removing the first extension braid. And after removing the extension braid, I'm pulling my hair to see where it falls. It falls just below my cheekbone. So now I'm taking some more extension braids and I'm cutting way underneath where my natural hair falls, and I'm just following that pattern so that I make sure I'm not cutting my natural hair. And the reason why you do this is because you want to save time and energy. Rather than taking out the entire length of the braid, you could just cut it in half, but you have to double check to make sure you're not cutting your natural hair, and that's why I start off with one, and then I'll stretch my hair to see how much it falls to, and then from there I cut beneath my natural hair length but a couple inches further down. I hope that makes sense. So just pay attention to what I'm doing, and then you'll see how to safely remove your single plaits, aka box braids. When I've removed a good 3 to 4 extensions, I go in with my water spray bottle and some conditioner. This is going to help me detangle my natural hair and glide through the comb much more easily, and it's going to also help me to not lose as much hair. I will lose the shed hair but not hair from breakage. Then I go in with my onion oil hot oil treatment, and I do the first shampoo off camera. Now I'm going in with the second shampoo on camera. So my hair looks a bit crazy because I did put it in twist and I did the hot oil treatment, so that's why my hair looks like this, but it's wash day, so it's not a styling video. And I'm focusing on my scalp, I'm focusing on my mid-lengths to ends, I'm focusing on everything and everywhere. I like to get my entire head clean, not only the scalp or not only a certain length of the hair. It doesn't make sense to me. I prefer to get everything clean, everything conditioned, everything moisturized. I really do like the shampoo. It suds up nice and creamy. It smells nice. All of the products has grapeseed oil inside, and grapeseed oil is meant to strengthen and repair your dry, brittle hair. The products do have a floral / fruity smell to them as well, but the smells are not super strong and they don't linger. Next I'm going in with the conditioner, and I'm only going to leave this in for about 5 minutes because I'm going in with the mask, which I will leave on for longer. So the conditioner, I mean, it didn't do much to my hair, but then that's maybe because I only left it on for 5 minutes. but it was one of those conditioners that didn't just sit on top. It did penetrate to some degree into my hair shaft, which is what I really liked. After rinsing that out with some warm water, next I'm going in with the hair mask, and I'm going to leave that on for about 40 minutes. The hair mask did leave my hair feeling really soft once I was finished deep conditioning, and I didn't use any heat on this particular day, and I didn't add any extra oils to the hair mask. So this is actually a hair mask that I would see myself using again because it did a great job. So I can just imagine like the intensity of the softness when I do use heat. So basically I'm putting the cling film on with 2 woolly hats, and I'm going to leave that on for 40 minutes and let my natural body heat do the work for me. Then when I rinse it out, I do a final wash with cold water, or as cool as you can handle the water. I always do a final wash with cool water because that closes up the cuticles. Next I'm going in with the Cantu Leave-In, and this is just meant to repair the hair just as the other products. These products also have kiwi, rosemary and shea butter inside, and they say to just use them in conjunction with each other like most other brands do. And I'm just going to section my hair into 4 and put my hair in some twists. Most of my wash days I do not use a blow dryer. I find that there's no need, and it's just safer that way when I don't put too much heat on my hair. Now I would have liked to use some grapeseed oil, but I didn't have any, so I'm going in with this castor oil by Blue Magic, and I'm just going to section my hair off, detangle it and start twisting. So overall guys, I did like the Cantu shea butter products. This is not my first time using Cantu, but it's my first time using the grapeseed line, and I do want to also try the avocado line, and they have another one as well which I can't remember. Actually it's flaxseed. Yeah, they have the flaxseed line as well. So I want to give all of those a try, but in due time. And yes, I think overall they worked well for my hair. I would use them again, but my most favorite is the shampoo and the hair mask. Next I'm going in with my DIY at home herbal oil, and it's just a blend of olive oil, Jamaican black castor oil, tea tree oil and almond oil, and I've put some lavender dry herbs inside the bottle as well. So I like to give myself a nice head massage. This stimulates blood flow and it can aid with hair growth. And that's it for my video, guys. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.